Happy Saturday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. All right, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths, release the energy, move it around, release some tension if you have any. All right, follow me, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Woo! How are you feeling? Say hi, say hello, drop it down in the comments below. I trust you are off to a wonderful Saturday. I'll be the beginning, during, ending. If you're catching this on the replay, I appreciate you. Thank you for staying connected on all of my favorite social media platforms, including yours, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, at lasuperagent. Shout out to our radio podcast listeners that are also staying connected and growing our channel. You all are amazing. And thank you. Okay, I'm feeling super high energy and excited because I am launching, I'm redoing the lasuperagent.com, branding and site and how you can get connected with me. So for those of you who are creatives and co-creators, I am now offering consulting. I've actually been doing this for a long time. And this really was born out of you guys just reaching out to me. You've been watching me, you're reaching out and you're saying like, yo, can you help? And I said yes. And so now I'm officially stepping into that. So thank you all for seeing that in me. I love you. I rocks with you. I support you as you support me. So I think that's been amazing for you all to really see that in me and bring it out in me. And so now officially check out lasuperagent.com. Sign up for a session, a creative session, so you can bounce it off of me. Let's build together. Let's do something amazing. Okay. We are continuing our series from Dean Del Sesto's Shift Your Thinking. Once again, I haven't been carrying the book, but I am continuing from my phone. Okay, so we're going to do the phone. And I'm in the 130, tomorrow's Cinco de Mayo. So we are on episode 130, which means, wow, we've got a total of 200 episodes left out of this series, and I'm really happy about that. I also want to invite you to turn on the post notifications. That way you don't miss any new episodes as I upload them. Check out the link tree and the link now, lasuperagent.com, and subscribe, stay connected, join, sign up for something, whatever resonates with you. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm feeling amazing because I'm a creative and I am tapping into my gifts and sharing that with the world. And it's all good. I may not be for everybody, and that's perfectly fine because I'm not here for everyone. And you too, I support that you should be comfortable with that too. Know that you're not for everyone. Know that, okay? I'm going to call this section, we are on episode 130. I'm going to call this, habits. I like to keep them short and simple. So I'm in the section where he says, if you're following along, are you in the habit of habitually ignoring the value of habits? He says, fortunately and unfortunately, you cannot have habits. Habits are open for business 24/7. I love that. Habits are open for business 24/7. Drop down in the comments, habits equals 24/7. He says the question becomes, are my habits serving the goals I have or stopping them? Are your habits serving your goals? Press 1 if they are. Press 2 if you can identify with the habits that are stopping you from achieving those goals. He says, are they contributing positively to the relationships in my life or causing stress and relational turmoil? He says, are they building my confidence or tearing me down? This is all within you. These are your habits. And I think this is so synchronistic. Like, I didn't read this, but here I am sitting, it's late, and I realize I need to go. I need to leave already. I'm in the office. However, I was working, so I have the habit of being very disciplined in executing. And that's what I bring as part of the creative consulting. I notice a lot of folks get stuck. So that's what I bring, how to get you unstuck. He says, conducting a simple habit inventory can give you answer pretty quickly. Take out some paper and draw a line down the middle. Do this. Take out some paper and draw the line down the middle. He says, on one side, write down your good habits. On the other side, write the bad habits. Make sure you cover all areas of your life. Once you identify the good ones, you'll be able to see clearly how they benefit your life and how doing more of them will yield even better life results. Drop down in the comments, life results. Growth is the purpose, y'all. Life results. He says, once you identify the bad ones, you'll understand how eliminating those bad habits would create the opportunity, drop in the comments, opportunity to put more time and effort into the good habits. Consider that today you have habits you need to break and ones you need to create. You are a co-creator. This is why I'm tapping into that avenue of myself to offer myself more to those of you who want to connect with me for the creative aspect. Because you're a co-creator. Everything we do in life, we're creating something. He says, also consider that your life will be the same or radically different 3, 6, 9, 12 months from now. I think even less than that. For those that have worked with me, I have done 30-day goals, like one goal in 30-day goals, and folks have executed, they've achieved it, and I've watched people just grow and do amazing things. I've not ever taken credit publicly for watching and seeing what people are doing. I'm just happy to support you, like cheer you on. That's what I'm here for. I'm your cheerleader. He says, depending on the habits removed and the ones integrated, he said that it can radically take anywhere from 3 to 6 to 9, 12 months, depending on what those habits are that you're removing. He said, habits are the life force of progress. Drop in the comments, life force of progress, and they make and break just about everything. Yet we rarely take inventory of our habits or the effects they are having on our relationships, career, even our mental health. He says, experts say it takes between 21 and 31 days to form or break a habit. And that is true and tested. He says, they also say the growth you'll experience this year will depend on the people you meet, the books you read, and the habits you form. Gosh, I'm going to come back and listen to this one. I am bookmarking episode 130 for so many reasons right now, because I am right at a moment of, I'm at a tipping point. Let me share that with you all. I can feel I'm at a tipping point. I am like right there, and it's just about to pop. It's about to pop. I can feel it. And so he says, I believe that habits are the strongest of the three. They are foundational to everything, even meeting people and reading books. All right. With that being said, join me today. Join me today in exploring what habits you need to eliminate. Choose one, and let's focus on the 21 days in eliminating that habit. And on the other aspect, focus on the one good habit that you need to take to the next level. All right, that's my time, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure you are staying connected. Subscribe to the YouTube at lasuperagent. You can find me here on Instagram and Facebook. What else is happening? Please make sure you connect at LA Super Agent. Hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss any new things I've been working on, and you can stay up to date and connected with me. All right. I love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful, productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our Shift Your Thinking daily. Bye.